Today we're going to look at WARDY IT Solutions Cloud Beacon. Cloud Beacon is a solution to help you monitor your spend and number of cloud-based services and subscriptions, whether they be Azure, AWS, or Google. So let's jump straight in and take a look. Here you can see I've logged into the Cloud Beacon console, and the first thing I see is the dashboard. So going through this, we can see this ribbon up the top here, and this gives us the total spend for the month so far, March, the projected spend for March, how much we spent last month, and of course our average daily spend as well. So if I scroll down a little bit, you'll see that this is basically represented graphically. And as I move my cursor, you can see that I can see what the spend was per day on a particular day. And that's for the last 2 months. Now, a very nice feature is the projected spend over here, where Cloud Beacon basically tells you this is how much you can expect to spend in the next month. If I scroll down, you'll see here we have 2 graphs, cost by subscriptions, as I can set up multiple subscriptions in my Cloud Beacon, and also cost by services. So I can see the breakdown per service here on this pie chart. If I scroll down a little bit further, you'll see that I can see my services by region, my spend by region, and a little bit further you can see again a summary of what my monthly spend was for the current month of March and for the last month, February, per subscription. And if I go down a little bit further, you'll see that I've also got a list of the last 5 latest services that were added, just in case there's been services added that I did not know about and taking up quite a large spend. So let's go back up to the pie graph, cost by services, and we can actually drill down on each service and see the spend for that service. So for example, I'm going to look at early production. So this is the screen that I'll get from Cloud Beacon, and again you can see it's a dashboard where I can see the daily average spend for that service for the last 2 months. And again, as before, the projected spend as well. A little bit further down here on the left-hand side, you can see where I have the activity feed. So this basically will alert me to anything that I should know. For example, this service had a spike detected at a certain time, so maybe there was an issue. I also get a review of my resources over here with some more information. And if I scroll back up and have a look at the properties, you can see here I see the name of the service, obviously, what type it is. So this is obviously a Azure web face. And this spend limit, which is a nice feature. The spend limit allows me to set essentially a threshold for my spend. If the service goes above that spend, then I'll get an alert from Cloud Beacon letting me know that the service has exceeded it. So that will prompt me to be able to have a look. Maybe I need to ramp up or ramp down, or to find out what's causing the service to run a high. Obviously there's a link to the Azure Portal, as this is an Azure service in this case. The other thing that we have here is this toolbar over to the left, which gives us even more information. So I can have a look at all my resources in the subscription if I so desire. If I have a look at reports, WARDY IT provides you with a couple of stock standard reports, but you also have the ability to build your own. So there may be something in the beacon here that you don't, that you want more information on, for example, that might be more pertinent to your service. So we can definitely build our own reports. And again, I can set my spend limit per service as desired. So in summary, Cloud Beacon provides an easy, informative interface to help you monitor your cloud-based assets and to give you better control of them. If you wish to use Cloud Beacon, please contact us here at WARDY IT Solutions and we'll be more than happy to help. Thank you.